Hey Atlanta property viewers, today we are in one of the most sought after suburbs, south of Atlanta in the beautiful, quaint town of McDonough. We are at a new construction single family community, Cooper Park, and these new construction single family homes are built by DRB, and this is the Drayton Floorplan. This floor plan has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2997 square feet. Properties in this neighborhood start in the mid 400s. If you have any interest in real estate in the Atlanta metro area, please don't hesitate to call or text me. My contact and consultation link is below. Please enjoy this property tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.